Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to give your friends like the key to your world so they can join whenever you want. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're just going to create a world, start it up. And this will basically allow you for your friends to join anytime, and they won't necessarily need your permission to start up the world. And let's just wait for it to load up. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, now once we are in the game, all you have to do is you have to click on the D-pad, or go to players. Now, if obviously I don't have anybody in my lobby, but basically right here it says you have 7 keys remaining, and what I can do is I can either invite players from my friends list to my world, but once they are in the world they will appear over here, and I simply just go on their name and I just give them a key. There's an option to give them a key, and that's basically it. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.